first of all, I would always suggest you to try or to update your graphics card drivers. So just for every NVIDIA user, I would always suggest you to download and install GeForce Experience if you haven't already, and then switch over to drivers. And here, make sure to always install the latest version of your GeForce Game Ready driver. Click on it, download. And make sure to install always the latest version of it. And then, if you've done that, we can already click on the Windows search icon and type in Device Manager. Open the Device Manager, and here the same thing. Always suggest to open the drop-down menu at Display Adapters, right-click on your graphics card, and click on Update Driver. Search automatically for drivers. And here, again, install a new driver if needed. In my case, the best drivers for your device are already installed. The same thing you can do, or I would suggest you to do with disk drives and with processors, because those are the most important ones in my opinion. When you've done it, we can already close the device manager, and then just right-click on your desktop. And if you're using Windows 11, you must click Control More Options, and then just open the NVIDIA Control Panel. Perfect. And then when this has opened, click on or open here the drop-down menu 3D settings and click on Manage 3D settings. And then switch from global settings to program settings. And here, first of all, select the program to customize. And here, search Forza Horizon 5 in this list. Then, here, perfect. And then when you found Forza Horizon 5, first of all, I would always suggest you to turn this low latency mode on. So just turn this on. We can also try it on Ultra if on still didn't work. And another thing, at power management mode, I would always suggest you to prefer maximum performance, or to set the setting instead of normal. Perfect. And that's already it. I can already close this here and start Forza Horizon 5 again, and the issue of low streaming bandwidth should be fixed now. If so, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If not, also leave a comment and I'll write you back as soon as possible, and then we will surely find a solution. But that's it. Thanks so much for watching. I wish you a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye.